Hey guys, welcome back. All right, today's video is going to be a really quick tip. If you are measuring materials, silicone or urethane rubber, anything that requires measurement by weight, you're probably using a little scale similar to this, a little gram scale. These tend to get disgusting after a while. If you work in a shop, they just get all grubby and gross and covered with materials and are just nasty. And honestly, just about every single gram scale I've seen in anybody's shop is just super gross. But a friend of mine, Max Cervantes, gave me a really great tip one day, and it seems super obvious when you know it. Get a gallon storage bag and just put your scale inside the bag like this. And it's protected. It's protected from all the gook, so you can spill stuff all over this and it gets nasty, and then after a little while you just replace the bag. It's that easy. I always put the little opening toward the top because I actually plug my scale in. This does take batteries, but I usually just use the plug. So you can zip it all up real nice, and then the little cable can come out, and your scale is protected by a bag, and it weighs everything just the same as normal. Doesn't change anything as long as you basically do your tare with the thing on top. You zero the scale out with your item on top, your cup or your material when you're adding whatever you do. It works perfectly. So this is a thing I've been doing for a few years now. A giant thanks to Max Cervantes for the suggestion. I'm really surprised I don't see this more often at shops. I've been to some big shops that don't do this kind of thing and have got nasty gross scales. So anyway, put your scale in a bag. Makes it stay clean for a long time. Thanks guys, have fun, see you later.